Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to the course of Fundamentals of Microbiology. In this lecture, we will discuss microbiology and the branches of microbiology. The term microbiology is the combination of two words. First one is micro, that is an ancient Greek word. It means small, and the other one is biology, that is the study of life. Microbiology is the study of microbes, for example, bacteria, fungi, viruses, algae, protozoa, and prions, etc. Microbes are too small to be seen with naked eye. Microbes are seen under microscope. Branches of microbiology. Based on taxonomy, microbiology is subdivided into two major categories: pure microbiology and applied microbiology. In this video lecture, we will discuss about branches of pure microbiology. First one is bacteriology. This is the branch of microbiology that concerned with the study of bacteria. Other one is mycology. The term myco means fungus and logi mean to study. Mycology is the branch of microbiology that concerned with the study of fungus. Virology is the study of viruses. Virus is an infectious agent of small size and simple composition like protein capsid and core genome. Virus can multiply only in living cells of animals, plants, or bacteria. Phycology. This is the branch of microbiology concerned with the study of algae. Protozoology. This is the branch of microbiology that concerned with the study of protozoa. Protozoa are single-celled eukaryotes, either free-living or parasitic. Parasitology. The study of parasites. Parasites are the organisms that live in or on the body of other organisms and takes its nutrition from that organism. Immunology. The study of immune system of living organisms is called immunology. Immune system is defined as the organs and processes of body that provide resistance to infection and toxins. Organs involved in immune system are thymus, bone marrow, and lymph nodes. Microbial cytology. The term microbial means related to microbes, and cytology is the study of cell. This is the study of microscopic and submicroscopic details of microorganisms. Microbial physiology, the study of how microbial cell structures, growth, and metabolism function in living organisms, is called microbial physiology. In microbial physiology, we study microbial growth phenomena, microbial metabolism, and microbial cell structure. Microbial ecology. Microbial ecology is the study of interaction of microorganisms with their environment, each other, and plant and animal species. Microbial ecology includes the study of symbiosis like mutualism, commensalism, and parasitism. It also includes biogeochemical cycle. It also includes the study of biogeochemical cycles like nitrogen cycle, sulfur cycle, and carbon cycle. Microbial physiology also includes the study of interaction of microbes with anthropogenic effects such as pollution and climate change. Microbial genetics. Microbial genetics concerns with the transmission of hereditary characters in microorganisms. It is the study of how genes are organized and regulated in microbes in relation to their cellular function. Evolutionary microbiology, the study of evolution of microbes, is called evolutionary microbiology. It is subdivided into two main classes. First one, microbial taxonomy, that concern with the naming and classification of microorganisms. Other one, microbial systematics. It concerned with the study of diversity and genetic relationship of microorganisms. Molecular microbiology. Molecular microbiology deals with the molecular mechanism and physiological processes of microbes and their utilization in production of biotechnological products and medicines such as vaccines and antibodies. Generation microbiology. This is the study of those microorganisms that have the same characters as their parents. Astromicrobiology. This is the study of microorganisms in outer space. Biological agents. This is the study of those microorganisms that are being used in weapon industries. Thanks for watching. Please like this video for complete courses and quizzes of microbiology. Subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. In next video lecture, we will discuss about the branches of applied microbiology. Thank you.